Hi, my name is Michelle again, April 11th, 2019. It's Thursday, and we're going to do exercise 2, which is the salt tolerance and pH testing. I have already, as you can see, gotten all my broths, my nutrient broths, and I have labeled them with the pH 9, 7, and 5, and like that, I guess. So we're gonna, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add some either hydrochloric acid and or some sodium hydroxide. So let me sit you down and you can watch. And so as always, I have my gloves, I have my mask. Okay. I have my little droppers and stuff like that. So the first thing I'm going to do is, okay, I already cut them at an angle, 45-degree angle, okay? And lit the candle, remove the lid from the S-Epi pH 5 tube. So we're going to go for the S-Epi pH 5 tube right here, okay? So I'm going to do that. Okay, and I'm going to sterilize the tip, the top, or whatever you want to call it, the rim or the opening, so that it's sterile. Okay, and then we're going to do that, and then we're going to add exactly 1 drop of the HCI to the pH 5. So the HCI is the hydrochloric acid. So we're going to do pH 5 and, okay, 1 drop. There, 1 drop. Okay? And then we're going to pass the opening of the broth tube over the candle flame to sterilize it, and we're going to put the top back on. Okay? All right. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing for the pH 5 S cerevisiae, and that is right here. We have it right here. Okay. All right, and then we're going to do the same thing for this one. Okay, HCI, you're going to put 1 drop. Very good. Okay, we're going to sterilize it before we put the top back on. Those are done. Now, we're going to do the S-Epi 9, okay, so we have, where is my S-Epi 9? There it is, my S-Epi 9, okay, and okay, so we're gonna sterilize it as we did the last one. Okay, there you go. Okay. And this time we're going to put the NaOH, okay, which is the sodium hydroxide, okay? And we're going to put 1 drop. There. And put the top back on. I'm going to do the same thing with the S cerevisiae number 9, okay? Oh, yeah, pH 9. Okay. And this is, we're getting the sodium hydroxide, the NaOH. And we're going to put 1 drop. There we go. I'm going to sterilize again. And we're going to close that one. Now the next one is going to be our S-Epi pH 7. Okay. Okay, so apparently we leave the S-Epi 7 because they're already taken care of. We don't have to add anything to that. So we did it to the 5, to the 9, and the 7s. They don't require anything else. So there's that. We're going to wrap. I'm going to put them, these little things, put it back in here. Okay. Now, we're going to put those in the trash. Now, so we're going to do, using aseptic technique, okay, pipette 2 drops of active S. epidermidis culture broth into each of the 3 S-Epi pH broths. Okay, so here we go again with the little pipette thing. Okay, and where's my S-Epi? Here it is. There it is. 2 drops. Okay. Let's sterilize this. Okay, now. Now we got that. Let me place this here so it doesn't fall over. Now all the S-Epi ones, I have to open them up. And then we make 2 drops. There. Do this again. And put the cap back on. All right, that's 1. Page 9. Put 2 in here. 2 in there. So hoping these are coming out right. And this is our 7. Okay. Now let's do this. Okay, 2 in there. Oops. Almost forgot one step. Okay. This goes. Okay, we're going to put this in the bleach right here. Okay. I'm going to bring this again. And we're going to put this one back. Okay, those are our Epi ones. And let's put those in here. So they can down there. Now we're going to do the same thing with the Cerevisiae. Okay, here it is. So, get this. I feel like back in the day when we had the mercury thermometers. Yes, I was alive back then. My mother used them on me. I used them on my babies. Well, at least the first ones. The first one. Okay. Let's get this. Let's close that back up. Not really going to need that. Alright. Now let's get our first one. One, two. One. There, two. Our third one. There. Ooh. There. All right. So I guess we're just gonna wait and place those in that pipette there, and we're gonna remove the remaining graduated pipette from the. Okay. And I did that, the serum. Okay, place the graduated pipette container. Okay, take the photograph of your inoculated pH broths and the active cultures to the refrigerator. And those, I'm going to put those in my incubation tank for 24 hours. And yeah, so we're going to, part 2 is we're going to observe the pH broths tomorrow for growth. And we're going to see if there's some turbidity, and if there's no growth observed, we'll do another 24 hours. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you.